Well, it's not raining yet. I'm going to put this together. So, where we left off, I'd installed my brackets that hold the hitch. I get my width, which is 35. Trying to make things even on each side. So here we are. I've got it pretty much centered. I'm going to just put the bolts in now with the wire I've got, and we'll get it together. It will be a hitch. I'll just bolt it up and in. One of the first things I have to do is make my attachment things for my bolts here. Might have to tie a knot. Okay, there's a knot. Now my wire is going to go through here and out through here. So I'll fish all that through. Let's see if we can get that to work. You know what, I should have probably went through the other way first, but we'll go this way. Already done, started. There's my bolt. Oh. Two to go. One more. I've got my 4 bolts in, and I'm going to snug them up. I'm not going to tighten them all the way yet because I want to have some adjustment when I put them up and in. So I've got that part ready, and I'm just putting Loctite on my bolts here just to prep them. As we need Loctite to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. Oh, the fun part. Man, I thought tripods are supposed to be stable. I think we're getting it. Okay, here we go. tighten up these bolts and we're done. I'm using a ratchet for these ones with a bar on it, or a pipe on it. I'm not supposed to do this, but lets me get things torqued a lot tighter. I'm just going to tighten up these other ones that I did with the impact. Finish them up and we're done. Here we go. That's the finished product. Solves this. I don't need that. I'm going to take some black spray paint and just touch the bolts, and that's done. I don't like the look of the shiny thing. Yesterday I made a comment about rust protection stuff that actually coats and helps protect the rust, and it helps rust it more. That's this stuff. It's what I've seen anyways. And partially because you don't get all the rust off, and this seals it in with the moisture and the way it goes. I've got a little bit left of this. I'm going to spray it up in here because I got to get rid of someplace. Maybe we'll be here. We'll do a little test and spray it in here where I sprayed yesterday. We'll see what happens in the future there. Okay. Let's take the car down, see how this looks, and I think that's it. We're done. Except for I don't have any black spray paint, so I wanted to give this a quick coat, but I don't have any black, so we'll wait until I get some black. Just read this says paintable when dry, so I'm going to spray the bolts and up in there. May as well just get rid of this stuff. We've got an empty can. That's good. Let's put that in recycling. Hey, look, I'm putting stuff away. Look at that. There's something else that goes in there. Oh, yes. One of these. That's a contractor's record bar, but it's very helpful. Okay. That's pretty much it. Gonna wash up and take the car off of those ramps. Actually, I'll take them off now. Look at that, eh? Hit it with some black paint and we'll be done. How much of that stuff have I got? I know I got some of that black stuff on my head. It's not fun. But, so that's it. That's the hitch installed. Other than the little spot of paint I'll give it when I get a can of black paint. I'm surprised I'm out of black. Usually have black. Seem to have every other color. I do have a can of black primer, but it doesn't look, it's flat. It just doesn't look right. Okay. This black stuff really sticks. I'm using a hand cleaner. Hope I don't have it all over my head. Some did drip on me and I wiped it quick. Well, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things, and that's, if you want to see how to install a hitch on your type of vehicle, I checked out some videos from eTrailer.com. They're really helpful, and they show you how to install a hitch. It's a lot better than me doing it anyways. They've got a hoist and everything. That's living. I've got a gravel driveway and a chunk of carpet.